Hi friends. Before I begin with my today's video, here are two pictures on your screen. Now, can anyone guess what is the similarity between a similar principle that is working in these both circuits? I know friends, both of them are working is completely different, but there is one small principle that is acting in both of these. If anyone can guess, try to guess that simulation. Now friends, for the people who have already guessed what is that common phenomena, it's a very good, and how it is being implemented in this circuit, it's a very good. But for the people who didn't guess that phenomena now, please wait till the end of this video to know that phenomena. Now let us get into this video. Well, welcome friends, I am Yashwardhan, an electronic enthusiast and electronic engineer who likes to work with different electronic circuits. In the previous video, I am going to make videos on electronics where I talk about different concepts. Now let me first open the file which circuit which I am going to be talking about today. So this is a circuit here. Now the topic of this video is about the voltage division or voltage divider circuit. This circuit and this principle is used in almost all the electronic gadgets that we are using, but we are not able to understand that. Now this video is useful for not only for the people who are working with practically electronics, but it is also useful for the people who are preparing for the competitive exam like GATE, because if you can understand this concept very clearly, some of the problems are very easy to solve. So now let us get into this topic. Here what happens is that, what is this voltage division is saying that whenever you have two resistances or any two components which are in series and you are applying a voltage source across them, then the voltage gets in some ratio. In the ratio this resistance is to this resistance. So now what happens is that here in this simulation example I have taken both the resistance of 1 kilo. So you can observe is that I am applying a 12 volts voltage across both the resistances, and that voltage is getting divided equally between these two resistors. There across the resistance we are having 6 volts, and across this also we are having 6 volt voltage drop. So that's what. And you can say how we are getting to know, just to know the voltage drop across the resistance, I just subtracting this voltage minus this voltage, I get the voltage drop across the resistance. Similarly this minus this, I get the voltage drop across this resistance. So that's what is happening. As here both the resistances are equal, it is getting divided equally. And anyway, whenever you are doing voltage division, you want the voltage to find the voltage across any resistance, you need to just follow one thing. You need to take the total voltage that is applied between both these resistances into that resistance by the sum of these two resistances. That will give you the voltage drop theoretically. Now let me show you one thing. Now let me increase the value of down resistance to 10 kilo ohms and click OK. Now you can observe one thing is that across this resistance we are having 10.9 volt voltage drop, but across this we have only 1.1 kilovolts 1.1 voltage drop. Similarly, let me change it to 1 kilo only, but let me increase the top resistance to 10 kilo. Now you can observe the voltage values have reversed. That is, across this resistance we are having 10.9 voltage drop, and across this we are having a voltage drop of only 1.1 volts. So from this we can understand the concept is that whenever you are performing a voltage division, across more resistance more voltage drop will occur, across resistance less voltage drop will occur. This is very important to understand. Now some people may ask me, Yashwardhan, you have used a DC source and it's okay. What about the user AC source? Just let me show you that also. Now just remove this DC source. Now let me go to input and sources. Click on add a AC source, and now let me add a AC source. Now also let me reduce the simulation. You will observe that I am applying a sine wave. Let me also click on view in a new scope. Okay, at any point you are seeing it's Okay, yeah, wait a minute, just excuse me. Yeah, let me now connect them and show you. Just add a new scope. Now just add a connection here, and this also you connect to this one, and this one you connect here. Yeah, now let's see. Now you can observe both are having the same thing. Now let me increase the simulation speed a little bit. You'll observe, see, the sine wave is happening again. This is a sine wave that's happening. But if you reduce the simulation, you will observe that whatever is the sine wave voltage at that instant, at every instant the voltage is getting divided across this resistor, more voltage drop is happening, and across this resistor voltage drop is happening. So here also voltage division is being used. So now you can ask me, Yashwardhan, it's okay about, now I understand about this concept, but where exactly this is used in the practical life? This is used in almost all the circuit. For example, in some of the voltage circuits, we are in an electronic circuit, we are using a potentiometer. So there, basically, what you are doing, you are just controlling the voltage with the help of changing the resistance. Similarly, let us say in all the old-fashioned radios also, we are having a knob to adjust the radio station. There also, we are just changing the frequency in order to tune to a particular radio station. So that's another thing. In almost all the electronic Arduino circuits also we are using. Whenever we want to calibrate a sensor, we are also using that. So now let's get to that part which all the people have been waiting for so eagerly. These are the two circuits which are shown in the starting of this video. Here also we are using the voltage division only. How we are seeing that? Just let me show you one thing. Here exactly what happens is that this is here one voltage division is happening, and also let me take another color. Here this is another second voltage division is happening. So what happens is that because of the voltage division between these two circuits, at this node we are having the required voltage for biasing this transistor. Similarly, let us say in this circuit also, here we are applying an input voltage of V2, but that is getting, we are having a voltage bias here, such a way that the required voltage is across this terminus. Now that's what is the good thing about this. So the common principle that is working in this both is nothing but is nothing but the voltage division principle that is happening here. So now I hope friends you have gained a good understanding about what do you mean by voltage division and how exactly this is being used in the circuit. If you like my explanation, please like this video. And share it with your friends. If you have any suggestion on what kind of electronic videos should I make next, please also feel free to comment that down below. If you want to see more such videos in a good manner, please consider subscribing the channel to see more such videos. And for the people who have already subscribed, thank you for subscribing the channel. And for the people who are new to this channel and want to see more such videos, please consider subscribing to this channel. Now friends, thanks for watching friends, and I will meet you again in a new video with a new concept. Until then do experimenting and stay tuned to see more such videos on this channel. Thank you.